Xenon headlights produce a bright and clear light, which provides a better view of the road. In order not to glare oncoming traffic, the adjustment of the Xenon headlight height is very important. A vehicle with mechanical suspension varies in height due to the load in the passenger compartment. This may result in an upward light beam that glares oncoming traffic. With the information received from the ride height sensor, the headlights can move up and down in order to cast the beam on the road at all times. For these vehicles, Moog has added an M6 blind rivet to all these wishbones. Therefore, where Xenon headlights are fitted as an option, the height sensor arm can be attached to the wishbone without having to purchase extra components to complete the installation. To mount the blind rivet, follow these steps. Screw a nut into the blind rivet. Place the loaded rivet into the pre-drilled hole in the wishbone. Tighten the nut to lock the rivet into place. Withdraw the nut from the rivet and the job is done. Now, where the Xenon headlights are fitted as an option, the height sensor can be attached to the arm without having to purchase extra components to complete the installation.
Make sure you come back to Garage Guru's CSI to see how we explain more warranty claims. We are Garage Gurus. Join our community. Follow us on social media. Thanks for watching this video. The video description contains all the relevant links. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and be notified when we post new content. Also, check out our Garage Gurus online course catalog.